our Ultra Diamond core bits with our MX FUEL core rigs, you get up to 20% longer runtime. And the idea is that everything about the thing is designed to really stretch every little ounce of recharge in that battery. But you also get some really impressive cut times. We put these, with our users across the country regularly coring. They deliver excellent performance, get you through quick, and make sure to preserve that charge like that. So I will warn you in advance, there might be a little splash back here. Cool.
Heard that. maybe it makes.
Is it that slow?
No.
Certainly. So something really cool that we have here on the core rig is that we have something that helps guides users through the process. This is a digital level, sort of lets you know which way you're leaning while you're pouring. This performance gauge is part of our innovation, which is that it's color coded to let you know how hard you should push. So if you're in the yellow, you need to give it a little bit more strength. If you're in the green, you're pouring just at the right speed to go optimally, and then in the red, you actually have to pull back a little bit, coaching our users to pour better every time. This 10% button mode is actually new to the core rig, and that is an easy hole start mode. So for larger bits, you can slow to 10% of the gear speed, mark your teeth, and make sure you get that nice, clean, precise marking, and then go at full speed. That's what we saw earlier in the video. Yeah.
And then what's going on here? On the actual rig or tripod?
So here on the tripod, we have some pretty exciting adjustments. We have this 1/2-inch square handle, and that's going to allow you to navigate the whole tool. So you're able to get that handle, press down on this button, and press it into the carriage on either side of the tool. If you're up against the wall on your right, you can core from your left or vice versa. You're also able to bevel it back by inserting it in here. So you're able to loosen that and tilt the tool back. We can take a good look at that.
Oh yeah.
To whatever desired angle you have, or straighten it back out and core directly downward. And the cool thing about this is that we chose a 1/2-inch square drive specifically so that in the worst case scenario, you misplace your handle, you need to get something done on the fly, you still have that slot that you can insert basically anything that'll allow you to move forward. Precisely.
Impact drive.
We also have an additional battery carrier here, and our adjustment pins, and then our level, making sure that you're level whenever you're ready.
That's a battery right there.
Yeah, so you're able to have one tool and then one slot right by the
Can this be mounted to a wall? That's a different carrier.
No, it absolutely can.
That's what I thought.
Yeah, this will mount to a wall or to a slab. Either direction is going to work.